Hello, my name is Rolf Veldman and I am the CEO of Voice123. Voice123 is the very first open marketplace for voice actors to offer their services around the world. As you can see, I'm filming this from my home, and that is because besides being an open marketplace, we are also a remote company and have been for a decade. Being a remote company for so long, it gives you a lot of lessons, mostly about what not to do. And with the pandemic happening around the world, we realized that we have lessons to share with everybody. For that reason, we created a starter kit, what you should be thinking about when you go remote overnight. If the starter kit is not enough and you have any other question, don't hesitate to reach out to me or to any of my team members and we can help you get started. For now, enjoy this video. Thank you.
The advantages are institutional memory increases. You learn to trust your team's output over their physical presence. Some of your team members will sync while others will surface. But you may feel alone, out of control, and you'll have to create a sense of togetherness and appreciation. Use Zoom, Hangouts, or Skype, as well as Slack, Trello, Jira, and Google's Office Suite. Avoid WhatsApp and email. There are 5 essential rules you need to follow. If your remote journey is just beginning, figure out how you'll communicate before you engage the team. And we are serious about email, because once the team starts using email the way they use a chat app, everybody will get overwhelmed. Find an alternative and only use email for important messages. Get the team to understand the concept of important messaging. Create specific channels in Slack and work out a protocol that everybody sticks to. Implement availability time boxing in digital calendars. Have everybody fill out 4 time slots on their calendar like coming online, available for meetings, busy, going offline. Define your etiquette for video meetings. Establish a proper comms hierarchy that becomes part of everyone's routine and determine response times for each type of communication. For example, phone calls need an instant response. A WhatsApp text message requires a 2-hour response time. Slack, a 24-hour response time, and so on. Always over-communicate and set expectations. Explain the rules to the team so that all members can follow them. Don't micromanage. Output is what this is about, not attendance. As a leader, your role is to support your team and remove blockers. Remember that. Lead by servitude. Have morning stand-up meetings and get the team to write down their agenda for the day so everybody knows what everybody else is doing. Plan digital coffee breaks at fixed times and get together. After all, you're all there to make this work, so have fun while you're doing it. And just because you're working from home, don't neglect yourself. This is your job. Treat it as such. Get dressed for work and then slip back into something more comfortable when you're done. Don't get stuck in front of the computer either. Get up and move about. And when things go wrong, learn from it. This is a journey, an experience, and you can make it work. So from all of us here at Voice123, stay safe, keep well, and we hope you enjoy being remote as much as we do.